In Slides, you can access your notes and lists from Keep and even add them to your presentation so you can expand on your ideas. This can be helpful if you use Keep to take notes on a mobile device and then would like to add more detail in the Slides editor. You could also use Keep to create an outline for your presentation and then access that outline when you begin creating your slide deck without having to open a new tab or leave the editor. To access your notes and lists from Keep, begin by clicking the Tools menu. Next, click on Keep Notepad. A sidebar will open containing your notes and lists from Google Keep. All of the notes in this sidebar can be edited here without having to leave your presentation. Just click on an individual note and you will be able to edit it. You can also create a new note by typing in the field at the top of the sidebar. If you would like to create a list, just click the list icon and checkboxes will be added to your note. Your notes and lists can also be added to your presentation. You can do this by either dragging the note onto the slide or by clicking the More menu in the top corner of the note. A menu will open where you can choose to add the note to your slide, delete the note, or open it in the Keep interface in a new tab. Even images contained in your notes will be inserted into your presentation. At the top of that sidebar are icons that will help you to work with your Keep notes and lists while in Slides. If you have many notes and lists in Keep, use the search icon to open a field where you can enter what you are looking for. To make sure you have the most updated versions of your Keep items, click the refresh icon. This will also make sure that any changes you make to notes while in the Slides sidebar are synced to the Keep interface. If you would like to work in the Keep interface rather than Slides, you can click the pop-out icon and Keep will open in a new tab. To close the Keep sidebar, click the X in the top corner.